croeso I clwb Fideo. Mae Alex yn siarad yn barod. Bydd hwn yn mynd yn well y tro'n cyntaf, o let's just neud o. Fi ar tîm glas gyda Katie.
Hi.
Hwna'n Katie. Fi yn y bottom D.
Hi.
A mae Katie yn y bottom chwyth, a mae Alex ar y top. Alex, ti eisiau dweud yn beth?
Enw fi Alex, a fi'n gwerth yn enw a Halo.
Ie, ti'n mynd I marw. Ti eisiau dweud hwnna eto, Alex?
Ni'n dechrau weapons dab, dim dim.
Na, wyt ti'n gallu gwneud exactly yr un peth, when ni just dewis I wneud hwnna, hyn ni ddim yn gwarin cywir.
O, na, fi ddim yn marw, ti'n gan tap Harri.
Ie, ti'n mynd I mynd. Oh no! Katie!
O, ti'n cael
sniper!
Katie, ti'n fod helpu!
Ie, fi ti edrych am ti!
Kate, o mae fi'n dod, mae Harri'n dod lan naw.
Ie, ti fan'na. Doing almost up. Hi, Alex. Okay, so mae'n barod wedi dechrau intro drosodd, let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, fi angen dysgu
Fi ddim yn hoffi chwarae efo'n Harri, achos mae'n hoff iawn o'r skill, o ddim skill.
Mae'n strategic planning. Fi'n defnyddio y pethau fi'n cael I helpu fi. Ac mae un ohonyn nhw yn gweld screen ti. A fi... Oh!
Fair.
Nice.
Also, mae Katie mynd I cuddio a lot. Mae hwnna'n strategy Katie.
But Katie, ti'n bod yn siarad wyt ti?
Hi, Katie. Ti'n just chwarae gyda cones. Alex, fi'n gwybod ti'n dilyn fi. Dyla ti dilyn Katie, fi'n mynd easy kill.
Dwi'n Katie, dwi'n gweld ti.
Oh, mae Katie yn just cuddio Alex, like, neb arall. Mae'n actually amazing. Hello!
Oh, no!
With fear me, I went in bron Maru instantly. O, fi ddim gyda. Diolch.
Oh, fi'n miss o sprint o Halo Reach.
Ie, roedd hwnna'n hwyl. Fi'n hoffi Halo Reach, fi ddim yn hoffi y game yma. Fi'n hoffi y multiplayer, ond fi heb chwarae y stori. Hello!
Okay, fi'n mynd ffordd yma, bye Harri.
Oh, hwnna'n beth mae hwnna yn. Hello, fi dal fan hyn, Alex. Fi'n glanio ar boes fi.
Wyt ti'n marw, Harri?
Ie. Ti'n dweud I fi cuddio?
Na fi dweud ti'n mynd I, nid dyla ti. Hwna beth ti'n mynd I neud.
Just like, cifio, Katie. Fe fi ddim eisiau, cifio.
No, mae'n opposite. Paid cuddio, ond fi eisiau.
Okay, blue ti.
Fi ddim yn gwybod. Ni ddim yn da hwn, Katie. Ti wedi gweld y trend eto?
Yeah.
Ie, Alex, allai dod I fi, please. Fi eisiau lladd ti gyda new gun fi. Hwna'n unig peth fi'n actually alright gyda. Mae Alex gyda sniper nawr, so fi'n cael trouble am hefyd I ddar hwnna.
Fi ddim da sniper o gwbl. Dim heddi.
Yeah! Right, fi'n mynd am y unig peth fi gallu defnyddio.
Pan fi'n dweud fi da Halo, fi'n meddwl fi'n gwech na diary.
Na,
I
quote Alex, I am the king of Halo.
Pwy fi'n dweud hwnna?
Oh.
Like, pan ni mewn blwyddyn naw?
Seriously?
Yeah.
God, fi'n so egotistical when.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, ti wedi newid cymaint nawr.
Yeah.
Fi ddim yn dweud fi king of Halo yn while, I bod yn honest.
Na, ond ti dal yn really... Oh, mae'n right fan hyn. Hello, Alex. Please bite
Fi ddim lladd ti nawr.
Please bite. No.
Wyt ti just yn angro...
Diolch am y ghost, Harri. Fi gwyd ti'n nôl eto.
Ti gallu stop o fe, Katie?
Be?
Fi'n really araf. Fi angen y help fi gyd.
O, fi...
Help fi gyd. Help fi gyd.
Oh, hi, Katie.
Da iawn, Katie. Fi ar ffordd, fi angon.
Fi wedi marw.
Please no. Oh no. Hello!
Oh, ti'n gallu deal with the ghost.
Yes! Oedd hwnna'n amazing. Hello!
Fi'n mynd I marw. Shields fi lawr. Shields fi lawr.
She's
Fi
not
dal
dead.
jas o ti, ti'n gwybod? Stop dweud ti mas o fe. Oh, hello. Leave!
Hang on.
No!
Oh, we've got the car frame.
Mae peth hyn yn
Ie, fi'n trio ddim damage o'r ghost, roedd hwnna'n... Fi'n actually alright gyda fe. Hwnna'n dweud a lot am fi.
Yeah.
Alright, fi'n mynd I nôl y Death Space laser. Mae probably gyda enw go iawn. Fi'n galw y Death Space.
Fan laser. We've also already destroyed our ghost.
Oh, mae'r Space laser yn fan hyn.
A mae'n ffurf nôl, Harri.
Fi'n gweld...
Gall Alex bod dweud celwydd I fi ar lure fi mewn I trap, ond mae ddim mor...
Gweld?
Gas.
Na, mae ddim mor
Wait,
intelligent.
ti'n meddwl a space laser, like a spot like... Oh, fi'n rhaid gweud
Space Death Laser Beam. Space Death Laser Beam. Space Death Laser Beam. Space. Fi ddim yn gwybod enw unrhyw beth, stop edrych fi. Fi'n goat. Os ti eisiau gwybod pwy mae Alex yn neud yma. Fi'n y goat. Oh, fi oes gadw. Rees yn re-gyflym. Oh, fi'n miso.
Fi'n stuck.
Oh, jeez.
I am Katie.
Wait, when I Katie, I'm not
Yeah,
Harry.
we got Katie. My hin cut over bread. V and her other one. Go.
I
Other one.
Have been
Even
literally
grand
just
I Harry.
Have been dweud fi'n goat where routine safety ruin our stop of there.
Ah!
Stop of there.
Yeah, I'm born. Expert.
Hello. To give out an alien team Pokemon my taste being quality.
Yeah.
So Tim can stealth of her. Stop stealth of her. Stop stealth of her.
Oh, hi,
Katie!
Oh!
Katie!
Nah!
They actually know the
No.
Vi är trio med mig är du på massa internet.
My name's it.
You got
Oh,
go,
hi!
yeah, go to your car.
I think
Min
that's
your
it.
blind, our chweith,
Vi är skit.
other one, and wedding Gurry there.
Okej.
RB. Hold RB. Hanan A! Put
Sorry.
in a team V, Bobble. Katie, oh.
Get him Mario.
Help.
Oh!
Keep it.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, when you call discussion kin os my dialect pimp and re equal, my I gotta dig, kill and barrel.
Yeah.
Oh, very come up.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop blow popeth lan ni gallu defnyddio. Mae ddim yn dig.
Oh, a ghost and all.
No. No.
Hwnna jyst yn anheg.
No, mae'n just cael gwarad o fe. No tea ddim, Alex. Not today.
No.
Oh, mae'n gweld fi. Panic.
But
Fi heb torri unrhyw beth. Dim ond couple o waith.
Da.
Ti iawn. Hannah'n Katie. Katie, pan mae ti'n aros yn llonydd, ni'n trio cydio fe.
okay
No.
now.
No.
Oh, who's coming there?
Dwi'n mynd i lladd ti'n
No, Alex, ti'n re-gyfle mi fi'n haldi. Fi wedi bod dilyn ti nawr.
Whoa. Okay.
Yes! Shot. Katie, please.
Fi'n edrych am ti!
Fi dal ar y traeth. Fi heb
Okay, fi
gadael.
wedi marw, so fi wedi mynd nôl.
Fi heb gadael y traeth eto,
Fi'n
Katie.
gwybod fi'n gweld dim
Oh, fi just blow on a ghost gun
Na,
grenade.
fi
I've been amazing.
I know.
No!
No. Regret. We're going.
Yeah, pan mae ti'n aros, pan ti'n gwybod fi dal alive a hunt o ti. Calm down.
Ah.
Alex.
Ah.
Mae fi anghofio pan ni'n chwarae hyn mae Alex yn colli fe.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
completely.
Nah, fi ddim fi barod cochi yn bar.
Dim really.
With Alex byth yn cael ei.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fi no.
Mae pawb yn cytuno gyda hwnna. Dim even Alex yn
Hey,
cael go at fi.
Fi'n tu ôl ti.
Right, nôl y mongoose arall yn ni'n mynd i joust
Actually,
o
mae
fe.
ddim. Mae efo'r
Na,
car.
dod i fi,
Yeah.
mynd ar un arall yn ni gallu joust o Alex fel tîm.
Duff challenge mesa.
Woo!
I'll be tricky out, Katie.
Katie, mynd ar y mongoose. Mynd ar...
Na!
Gai am hyn.
Fi
Na,
ddim-
ti fod joust o ni. Ti fod joust o ni, Alex. Dwn ddim yn hoel.
Fi'n
Dwn
trio.
ddim yn hoel.
Fi ar ffordd fi, car fi.
Ti'n fan aw. A fi'n kill by grenade. Wedi'n glanio ages ago.
Na, mae'n disable vehicles.
Oh, ar then. But better than lladd fi
Hang on,
then.
dau fi cael...
Fi'n aros am ti, Harry. Ti'n safe fi.
Oh, fi ddim gyda gun fi anymore. Fi'n meddwl fi cael dal cael yr un gyda'r scope.
Fi'n aros.
Ie,
so
fi'n
ti'n
dod. Fi yn dod, Katie Reddick. Katie, mae'n more than actually dod out. Ti'n di'r bod o balus. Okay, barod. Ow. Yeah.
Dwi'n mynd go.
You're gonna be stuck in a tie, Harry.
Yeah.
Dwi'n ti?
Help. Right off line to Katie.
Hi.
Or fi'n settle on trap ti o ti. I'm in a car. Oh no.
Mewn y car, na!
I'm mewn y car. Doesn't think I can make comedy series just o fi a Katie yn trio lladd Alex.
Yeah.
Just like dod
Oh,
lan
na!
with amazing
Oh, well,
schemes.
fi'n mynd lan fan hyn.
Hi Alex, fi ddim gyda any ammo. Like literally fi'n out of ammo, grenades, guns and everything. So fi'n
Kate-
just eradicate.
Oh, so is it.
Katie!
So is
Katie!
it. Yeah.
Katie! Yes! Oh, Katie!
Oh, fi'n dodge hi. Ble am I hi? Dyn hi. Fi cael car.
Fi ddim eisiau respawn.
Yes, Katie, come with me, rhywle. Oh, yeah. Katie, come and feel Harry.
Hwn yn tîm fi.
Oh my God.
Hwn yn tîm fi angen delio gyda. Ond o leif na fi gallu gwybod ble mae Alex yn. Hello. Yeah!
Regret! Fi'n regret y pobau.
Yes,
Come
yeah.
on, Alex, stop already further, B.
Sorry if you're busy, Creole.
On I'm a shield for no, and then check on.
Wait, ah.
Pwy pan a sgwil?
My Alex and Squeal out being a rincy native and out. Get a gun, B. Yeah. Yes!
Oh!
No!
Ah!
We hope no Kate just come with him right.
Katie, Tisha don't gonna be your try. Alex, please gather me Nathan,
Okay,
please.
please.
I'm video quality things.
What feature say?
Just to
Harri.
come off a windmill.
Yep.
Okay, ready ear beat. Ear tries, Katie. Ear tries. Pie Edric
If
no.
he
Pie
was-
Edric no. Pie
If
Edric
he's
no.
spawning our beach now. Be finna storm on
Oh, if you mother two actually ready.
Yeah, I'll be.
Just read it, Katie. Dim Edric no. Hanam rock. Team in the farthing her.
Yep.
My collar ghost.
With the measure goes, we a team arrow warthog, and when you fail, I have the Katie too slow. I would hit respawn.
Hi.
Hide safety, be Katie.
He's in!
To get a harness or safety, be Katie.
Yeah.
To get a quiet.
Do my cave, you should run here over.
No!
Oh, Tim got to like bounce off a rock, and I have many launch.
Okay, Nate. Boom. Okay, it's done.
Yeah. Oh, if you saw the wrong person.
Not me,
I would
Kate.
keep that Katie if you met with on a beat out Katie, they should do try now,
We
please.
disappear.
Be good, I don't know.
We disappear. We follow ghost and the wind.
Another Katie and a ghost have the light.
Actually, Tina ghost kind of Garrett.
Oh yeah, the ghost.
Yeah.
I'll he bought our team T, he come with T Lar no friend Katie. That's not full of facts. Team British.
Dian.
Oh.
Lana Grishai! Ghost power!
Wow!
Yes!
Yes!
No! No, 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 no!
Get
Oh,
off.
nothing land on now, it's in stuck. Oh, see them in stuck. My them in stuck!
Oh, no.
Abort. Safety back quick, Katie, please!
Dude, no!
Yes! I do
Are we
remember
Catherine?
Possibly.
I think nah, if Harry Calvary.
Aww.
How you ruin our dreams to Casey, but team rubbish.
Yeah, if you just do doing the ghost or Katie, yeah, it would be like right up line if you just come right up. Now have you got the space death laser?
Yeah, team Ulti give you all
Well, T all the windmill stuck now, so zoomy zoom! Yeah, mean kid the OT now.
it.
Yes! No! Smooth. Deal.
We don't.
Smite with the thing and come with T first.
We just happens to be kind of a ghost.
Wait, is he Artian? On and Shane. No.
Whoa!
Oh, done our ghost! Space death laser! Oh, we missile. Panic! We reload, I have it. Katie, our side tried. We got a plan.
Yeah, I have a
If you mean a
plan.
wall.
Okay, don't go to V. We've been
No,
spawning around
we have a plan.
Fine, fine, don't go to V. Kill.
Hang on.
Vi vill inte car ET, jag är Naja Arnave. Our gun. I had my end safety if we had a planting fail locator. Planting fail locator.
Sorry!
Hanna baby mini Katie. Neon Vel villains mewn kids program at this point.
Yeah.
Ni Nickelodeon villains.
Yeah.
Oh, do you know the Seath Troya hefyd? We've been actually aim on.
Woohoo. Oh, please stop.
Actually no, team bait! Team bait! Oh, we fail, we fail, we press the wrong button, Katie. Which is unnecessary bait.
Ah, yeah, yeah, hold on.
That's what
I Nate on under press, Katie.
Bring on my hand.
Tiga kind of stuck in a head behind.
Hello.
Volunteers.
Sa the heen to so feed them guys.
Team Gaki! Oh. That's perfect. Like.
Harry.
Stop! Defnut your strats. Ni ddim yn digon da.
Wait,
How
wait.
many of them are video of line where ni'n actually about
Hey,
equal?
just zoom in there in our water, man. Visionary real.
Put it in.
Yeah.
We ddim gyda range ar y tŷ.
Fi
People
mynd
say
o-
to heb unrhyw siawns.
Okay, fi
How
mynd i
the
bod yn
range.
bait. Okay, fi mynd i bod yn bait.
No, ni mewn gunfight, Katie. Ti'n gwybod bod gut of fate now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, not actually them, Katie. By the laws of fate.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Or fi'n like mynd i glan iawn yn ti hefyd. Okay, Katie, dod i'r traeth.
Okay.
Right, actually now, fi'n dod at ti, neud... Oh, we are wrong seat. We are wrong seat. Redig. Yeah. Oh. Fi marw falch o na. Fi di surrender ar ôl de. Okay, Katie, Mind.
Okay.
Mind nuts, Katie. No, fight Gardal, Mind. If you're doing Mind as in attack of it,
Oh, okay.
Nid as in Mind our Trev. Gardal a club. Just. Can I stop a candy? She's probably might be living.
No, you can't stuck in a head, Harry.
Half a missile.
Oh,
So Mind our old Katie out on that V. I'm not ruining our level T. No offense, Katie.
Yeah, true.
Actually, I had a more compliment.
Whoa!
No offense, VT.
I've been able to be shafty, Harry, even Katie.
No, we're too glad Katie. Being Katie above, you got a sniper rifle.
Yep.
Oh, no, I'm too broken up. Oh, team down, Harry. Oh, yeah, team down. Oh,
No,
no,
be rifling it. Oh, we're gonna trap a puppet.
Stuck him a sniper.
Oh no.
Oh my
I think I'm copyrighted and in Cal County Hunter throughout a whole video. Well, my Alex Mindy anyway at this point. I'm rehired. Stop. Hi, do that in room my canay on Mounty Hunt.
Oh, damn it.
Right, we make a deal together, guys. Give me a Galaxy Gal Warthog.
Really?
Yeah, give me a Galaxy Gal
My
Warthog.
trap.
Nah, be min see through your base away from the Warthog. I'll be Galaxy Min banner. Harry Teen Screen Watcher V, so Teen Guardian V.
Vi ddim yn siŵr os fi ddim yn gwybod Oblivion. So fi ddim yn gwybod lle mae'r prize. Just dilyn VK to be good at big gun.
Hi.
Are
Are you
Pretty miss on hefyd, Alex.
Nah, be mini base di Cal Warthog. It's nice.
Okay, Katie, ni angen trust fe, ni ddim gyda other choice. Stop dilyn fi, Alex.
Then be min mewn side of your base.
Stop dilyn ni.
Be min mewn your base. Harry!
Or fi ddim meddwl fi'n mynd i lladd fi. Redeg, Katie, redeg. Gadal a gun, mae'r gun yn rhy heavy. Just redeg.
Right.
Mae'n dod am ni
You've
now.
probably gone for now, so he's really crafty. If you can count
Just
that.
red. Mwyn i'r warthog o Harry's ni bron wedi gorffen. A mae'r fideo yn quite short.
Yeah,
Please.
Son of a two-year-old. Son
Right.
of a Sunday.
Fi mynd mewn hwn.
Wait, now there was Sunday.
Katie mynd ar y turret. Please.
Okay.
Mynd i
Keep
cefn y
Katie in
car.
our turret. Oi, teen insane!
Is he eisiau hi gyrru?
No, I think good point. Actually, okay.
Hwna ddim yn y turret, hwna different car. A
Yeah.
turret y fi'n fi. Katie
Excuse
gadael.
Harry.
Mynd i cefn car fi a bydd yn dweud operate turret. Hold down RB.
Yep, right now.
Hold down RB. Oh my god, beth i'n neud e?
I know. I felt
Right, fi angen eich screen goer nawr.
Okay.
I'm yn really similar. Now ti, just Bob Barry safety Alex.
Oh no.
Mae'n swnio fel mae mewn weak position. Mae gyda'r space death laser. Mae gyda'r space death laser, Katie. Safety fel Katie!
Wait.
Lydia!
I was seeing my vision aid coming.
No, mae'n fanno. No.
Okay, give me some now.
Okay, Katie bombard. Ti ddim yn barod, Katie, ydy.
No.
Yn cuddio i ffwrdd di. No, mae'n fanno. Mewn coch.
Na!
Mewn coch. Yes, Katie, come on. Os ti'n cael un kill, bydd fi'n so proud. Ti'n edrych at the sky, Katie. Ti'n aim o lan, Katie.
Oh, we nailed it. Double kill. Well, I've hit and power grenade. I've hit in video. I've Harry really cocky. I've Katie really cocky.
Hynny dim byd
I've
normal.
here the Alex. So, diolch gwylio. I'll be
Diolch pawb
glad
am
to...
gwylio.
mewn y
Tro
video
nesaf, fi yn erbyn Katie, so fi'n cael chance.
Ti'n mynd i ennill, hynny anheg.
Not to them, because we did make sure bomb and team with Harry anyway.
Just chwifio, Alex.
Okay.
By the way.